Okay, let's see here. So today we will start relation and function, right?
Yeah.
है ना? So before that we will start from the beginning. Okay, we will start from the beginning. Okay, from the starting one.
Okay.
So just recall about the sets, है ना? Just recall about the sets. So can you tell me something about the sets? What do you understand by the set?
Like it's like a possible combination of numbers.
What?
Like possible
Yes, I think we have already done this one in our demo class, है ना?
yeah.
Yes, so please tell me what do you understand by the demo? Sorry, demo. What do you understand by the set? Or what is the meaning of set?
Set is say po- set is the possible outcomes in
Hmm.
a function.
Possible
Outcomes.
outcomes.
Right.
Are you sure?
Not outcomes. Not outcomes. What was that?
Acha, just relate it. Have you ever listened about geometry set? है ना?
Yeah, you mean like ruler,
हाँ, yes, yes. Very good, है ना?
pencil.
Geometry set is like
Yeah.
a box, है ना? It is like a box which contains some geometrical tools, right? Which contains some
Yeah.
geometrical tools, है ना? As pencil, right? Scale, है ना? Eraser, right? Compass,
Yeah.
divider,
Yeah.
sharpener, है ना? These things means we can say geometrical tool, है ना? So a box which contain well defined objects, right? Or a particular objects, है ना? All objects or all the tools are related with a same field, right? So that's as the
Yeah.
all objects are related with the geometry, right? Geometry field now, right? So this box
Yeah.
or this set is known as geometry set, right? है ना? Is it clear? Similarly, in the
clear.
demo class, I have already gave the example of makeup set, है ना? Makeup set is also a
Yeah.
box, right? It is also a box, है
Yeah.
ना? Right? Which contain makeup equipments, है ना? Right? Just like cream,
Yeah.
powder, है ना? Powder, blushes, right? Nail paints and other
Yeah.
things, है ना? So as the all objects or all the tools of this inside this box is related with makeup, right? This is related with makeup. So this box or this set is known as makeup set, right? Now as you can see in the both example, when you will take any of them, any box, you will get the tools or the objects inside that box related to that field, right? Do you get any makeup tool in the geometry set? Do you get
No, sir.
do you will get any makeup set, makeup tool? No na? Acha, do you will get any
No.
geometrical tool in makeup set or makeup box?
No.
No na? So what we
No.
can say here, what we can say here ki a box which contain what type of objects, what type of objects? Yes, tell me.
The box. Which
The
which
box will
box?
contain
Wait.
what type of objects? It will be well defined well defined object, है ना? Well defined or define collection of object, right?
Yeah.
है ना? All objects are here well defined which are
Yeah.
related to that particular field, है ना? So that collection of object is known as sets, है ना? This thing we have already learnt in 11th class, right? है ना? So what you can say about the set, कि a set is a well defined, what we will say, a well defined collection of objects is called, yes tell me, is called a set, right?
Well defined.
है ना?
Set.
Is it
Yeah.
clear or any doubt till here? Yes,
No,
tell
sir.
me, any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, after this I have already teached you, or you I think you may already learnt in the 11th class, है ना, कि a set is denoted by, set is denoted by, yes
A
tell
set
me.
is denoted by.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it's too easy. We have already discussed it in the demo class.
Automated.
English alphabet letter, है ना? And what type of English alphabet
okay.
letter?
Capital.
Yes, very good, है ना? A set is denoted by capital English letter, है ना? Capital English
English letter.
alphabet letter, right? Just an example, what we can say,
Yeah.
set A, B, C, है ना, S, Y, Z, right?
Yeah.
Etc. है ना? Is it clear? And the objects that are inside the set, है ना? The objects which are inside the set, or we can say the box, है ना? Suppose this is the set A, okay? Or this can also, here we can represent like this, pictorial representation. Suppose this is a set of the geometrical set, okay? Geometry set. This is geometry set, right? Or if we didn't know the name, then just we can say set A, set B, set C, set X, set Y, set Z, right? As here this is geometrical set, है ना, geometry set.
Yeah.
So it contains some elements, some objects, right? Like pencil, है ना, scale, right? Eraser, है ना, etc. etc. Okay. So these objects are known as the elements of set. These are known as elements of set. Is it clear?
Elements
So
of
here,
set.
yes, है ना, here we can say that कि the elements of this geometry set are pencil, scale, eraser, etc. etc. Okay, which will be there here. Okay, and the elements are, and they are denoted by, yes tell me, denoted by,
elements of the set were denoted by
yes it's too easy,
capital.
by capital letter. Here we
Letters.
denote the to the set, है ना?
I mean small letters.
Yes, very good. The
Yeah,
elements
small
of the sets are denoted by small English alphabet letter. Okay, alphabet letters. Okay, just like an example, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Okay, etc. Is it clear? Suppose pencil, this element is denoted by A. A equal to pencil. A means pencil. B means scale. Okay. X means eraser. Okay. So these will be the elements of the set. Is it clear? We have already learned these things, है ना? Okay. Right? Or any doubt?
Yeah.
Any doubt? अच्छा, for now don't write it. I will give the time, है ना, for note down it. Okay, when I will explain at that time, don't note down it. Otherwise you may skip some points, है ना? That will create or rise the doubt in future. Okay, so I will give the separate time for you. Okay, for it. Okay, now let's see here. We already discussed one more thing, that the set can be write in two different form, right? And I think you may have already learned this thing
Yeah.
in the 11th class. What are the forms of set? Yes,
What are the forms of set?
yes, it's too easy. Yes, just try it.
Integers like that.
What?
Integers.
No,
Set
we are
builder and
here we are
set
learning
builder
sets,
and
not the number system. Okay. Uh, I have
okay.
already teased you this one in the
You mean like set builder form?
what?
Set builder form.
Yes, very good, correct, है ना? Set builder form, and the another one is it's from T. Yes, tell me.
The
Okay, let's see. No problem. Tabular
tabular form.
है ना? Yes. Okay. It is tabular form. Okay. Any doubt?
Okay.
This tabular form
No,
is
no,
also known as by one more name. That is it's from R.
one more name.
R. What form?
Regular form.
No. Rows.
Regular.
Rows.
Roster form.
Roster form. Yes, very good. है ना? So set can be write in two different form. Set builder form, tabular form, okay, and roster form. Is it clear? Or any doubt? Now let's here we will just give a small overview है ना about this forms. So set builder form, take there is a set of all vowels of English alphabet. Okay, so set of all vowels of English alphabet, that is set A. Okay, so here we will write this set in tabular form as, right, see here, A equal to like this, x means the element. Okay, and this is the symbol of such that, this is the symbol of such that. After this class I will send a list of the symbols and their meaning. You have to note down it in your fair copy. Okay, and just learn it. Okay, yeah. So x is the element of set A. Okay, x such that ki x is a yes, tell me what we will write here. Vowels of English alphabet, है ना?
Vowels
Of English
of the
alphabet. Okay, and we will write it here in the curly bracket.
Yeah.
Okay, we will write it here in the curly bracket. Is it clear or any doubt? Like this. Okay, in tabular form or roster form, the same thing will be written as like this, कि A equal to, here we will write the elements A, E. What will be the elements? Tell me. A, E, I. Yes,
It will be A, E, U, I.
elements will be, what will be the elements? See here, X is the element, that is vowels of English alphabet, na? So
A-E-I-O.
yes, they will be A
O-U.
E I O U, है ना? We will write it in
O and U.
O and U, yes, है ना? In curly bracket, okay? Let's take one more
O and
example.
U.
Yes, A E I O U, okay?
Yeah.
Now let's take another set B. That is the set of natural number less than 8. Natural number less than 8. Suppose there is a set, that is set B. This is the set B and it contain natural numbers less than B, less than 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So these will be the elements of this set, है ना? These will be the elements of this set, right? So here in set builder form we will write it like this ki x such that x is a natural number. What we will write here? X is a natural number that will be less than, just tell me, less than 8, है ना? Okay?
Yeah.
And in roster form how we will write here? What we have to write here in roster form or tabular form? Yes, tell me, it's too simple. Hello?
Less than 8.
You can take the help
It will
from the above
be
one,
1, 2,
the
3.
set A. You can also take the help from
So
this
it will
one.
be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes,
Hello, sir, can
yes,
you hear me?
very good. है ना? It will be
Yeah.
the elements of the set.
1
That
to
set, है ना?
7.
So here we will write 1, 2, tell me.
1 to 7.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, 1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7.
6, 7. We will write here 8 or not? 8 will be the element of this set or not? Just tell me.
No, sir.
No.
If
Why?
it's less or equal to 8, then
Because here the statement is कि the elements which is here denoted by x, है ना? X variables. So the element will be less than 8. Okay. If here it will be written कि x is a natural number till 8. Till 8.
okay.
Then at that time we take 8 also. Okay. Is it clear? है ना? Okay. Now let's see here a last point which we will recall from the 11th class. There are many more points, but here we need just these things. Okay. Suppose a set A which has elements A, B, C, D. Okay. So here if we will write like this, A belongs to A. This means this, the small a, this A. This is the element of the set A, okay? And this A, the capital A, is the set A, okay? This is the notation of the set A, and here in the left side, this is the notation of the element, this element, the A element, okay? So let's see here. Let me pair it. Did you understand this point?
Okay.
Did you understand this point? Suppose there is a set A whose elements are A, B, C, D. So if we will write it like this, ki A belongs to A, this sign is the sign for belongs to, है ना? Belongs to. And if we will write like this is the sign of does not belongs to. ठीक है?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay, very good, है ना? Does not belongs to. So here if we will write A equal to A, then it's mean कि the element A is belonging to set A. Okay, is it clear? Here it's mean कि A belongs to A, or we can say that कि A is an element of set A. Is it clear? Or if we will write like this कि D doesn't belongs to A, it's mean कि D does not belongs to A. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Or any doubt? Oh, sorry, here don't take D, it will be wrong. Here D is the element of set A, na? So take it E, okay? As here E is not the element of set A. So take it here E. E does not belongs to set A.
Here.
See here, the set A, this one. Can you see E in this element? In this set? E as an element in this set? Can you see here? Yes, tell me yes or no. Is there an element E in this set or not? Is there any element as E? Yes. Akshat, can you hear me?
No, sir. I don't see.
Oh, yes, है ना? Because here E is not the element of set A. So that's why I write here E
Yes,
does
sir.
not belongs
There's
to
no E.
set A, है ना? And this is the mathematical language. Okay. As in English, you learnt the language English, है ना? The language Hindi.
Yeah.
So these are the languages of maths. Okay. So I will share with you the symbols and their meaning. You have to learn it, okay? And you have to note down it and always keep in mind all the symbols, okay?
Okay.
Acha, till here, just tell me, is there any doubt? Yes, tell me.
No doubt, sir.
No. Do you want to note down these
No
points? Do you want to note down
Sure.
these points? These are the concepts of 11th class, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you want to note down it, na? Okay, just note down it.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see here. We will just recall one more small point from the 11th concepts, okay? Do you know, acha, you have already learned the types of sets, na? Subset, proper subset, superset, है ना? Empty sets, power set, है ना? And many more, right? So
Yeah.
among that, can you please tell me what do you know about the subset? And this one we have already discussed in the demo class, okay?
Subset.
So I think yes, subset.
Like we say, that set belongs to that set. Like it's like a set which is belong to another set.
You are going correct. Can you please repeat it?
A set like a set which belongs to another set.
A set which belongs to another set or whose elements also belongs to the another set.
Who elements of those
Yes.
set belongs to.
है ना? Just let's see here कि a set A whose elements are A, B, C, okay? And a set B whose elements are A, B, C, D, E, okay? So here we can say that, acha, one more, take another set also that contain B, C, D, E, okay? So as you can see here, the set A, and let's see the set B, right? Hana? The elements of set A are also belongs to set B, right? All elements of set A are also belongs to the set B, right? So here we can say that the set A will be the proper set of set B, okay? And this will be the notation, okay? So what we can say that if every element here it should be every element. Okay, please focus on this point. Every element of set A is also in set B, is also in set B, then A is called as, or call as, subset of set B. Is it clear or any doubt? And it is denoted by denoted
Yeah.
by this sign, है ना? A will be the subset of B. Okay, so let's see here. This sign
Element.
is mainly the sign of subset. This sign is the sign of subset. Okay, is it clear or any doubt? Acha, let's see here. As an example, here we can also say that, see the elements of set B, है ना? See the elements of set
Set
B,
B.
right? Sorry, C, and set A. Okay, is or are all elements of set A is also in set C or not? Yes, tell me.
Yeah. Not
Just check it. I said all elements of set A are also in set C or not?
Yeah. No doubt.
Actually, I said that, Akshar, कि are all the elements of set A is also in set C. All the elements of set A are also in set C or not?
The elements of A also there in.
No, A is not in the set C, na? This element A is not in set C. Can you see
No,
it?
sir, it's not. A is
Ah,
not there.
the B and C are in set C, but A is not in set
Hello,
C,
sir?
na? Huh? Hello? Hello? I'm audible? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Yeah, that's what I said. It's right. All the elements of A is not there in C.
Huh. Acha, can you hear me, na?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. So the element A of set A is not in set C, right? As you can see here. So here we will say that A is not the subset of set C. Okay, this will be the sign of not subset. Okay, this is the sign of not subset. Okay,
Yeah.
is it clear? Let's see here. I am writing here. If you want to note down, you can note down it. Not subset. What we will call?
Doesn't belong to C.
Just wait a minute. What you said? Hello?
Belongs to. I mean, subset.
Just wait a minute.
Not
Wait a
sub-
minute. It will be like this.
Hmm.
We will give a cut mark, है ना? Like this. Okay? So, not subset. Okay? This is not subset. Is it
Okay.
clear? So, here A is not the subset of set C. Is it clear? So, this is the concept of subset. If you want to note down it, please
What's
note
it?
down. This is the concept of subset. Any
So what
doubt?
did you just say now? Hello, sir. What did you say?
Hello, I'm audible. Hello, Akshat, I'm audible. Hello. Hello,
Yeah, I can hear, I can hear.
is it okay?
LSO, yeah, I can hear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I said that this is the concept of subset. Okay. So, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Acha, do you want to note down it?
Yeah, sir, sure.
Huh. Then please note down. Okay. Now let's see here. So, till here, all were the concepts of class 11th. Okay. Now come to our the concept of class 12. Okay. As in the 12th class, the first chapter is relation and function, right? है ना? So we will start with relation. Okay.
Yeah.
Here we are going to start with relation. Okay na? Relation. Okay. Acha. Now let's see here. In our daily life, we have also relations with each other, right? That we call blood relation, friendship relation, है ना? Temporary relation, है ना? Right? Permanent relation, these things, है ना? As how I am related with you? Yes.
What's
How I am related with you?
like teacher and student?
Teacher and the student, yes. So as I am, okay. Let's see here. Just okay. Let's see. I, this is me, okay. Or let's see here. This is me and this is you, okay. So as I am your teacher, right? I am teacher of you, है ना? And what is the relation from your side? What is the relation from your side? You are my, you are my, hello, hello, Akshat, can you hear me? Hello, hello, Akshat, hello, I'm audible, Akshat.
The relation from my side?
Yes, the relation from your side.
Like listen and giving the question,
As
answering.
from my side, I am your teacher, right? And
Yeah.
you are my
Student.
student. Yes, है ना? So, you are my student. Okay. So as you can see here, the relation is from both sides, right? I am belonging with you in a some way, and you are belonging with me in a some way, right? है ना?
Yeah.
In the same way, in mathematics or mathematical language, just listen here. Ki suppose there are two sets, okay? Suppose there are two sets, the set A and the set B, okay? The set A has some elements A, B, C, D. The set B has also some elements, okay? When the elements of the set A has some relation with the elements of the set B, okay? Is it clear? Did you understand? When the elements of set A, when the elements of set A consist a relation in set B with the elements of set B, okay, then this will be known as the relation among those two sets. Is it clear? Clear? So here, acha, we have already learned the dot product and cross product now. So the main we can say that ki a relation that is denoted by R, okay, which will be denoted by R, is subset of A cross B. It will be the subset of A cross B, okay. A cross B means, suppose here the elements of A and B, okay, these are the two sets and their elements. When we will do the A cross B, then we have to take each and every element of set A with each and every element of set B, right? Just like A1, A2, A3, A4 है ना, B1, B2, B cross 3, B cross 4. Similarly C1, C2, C3, C4, D1, D2, D3 and D4, right? Is it clear? है ना? So this is A cross B, है ना? We have already learned these things in 11th class. Cross product, dot product, है ना? So this will be the subset of A cross B, okay. We will understand here in few minutes, okay. And it will be denoted by like this, that is R will be the subset of A cross B. R will be the subset of A cross B. Is it clear? Now let's see here the example. We will take the example. Suppose a set A, okay, and a set B, okay. Suppose the set A, the set, just wait a minute. Set B. Set A consists, let's take the same example, okay, which we took in the demo class, okay, so that you can easily understand it. And if there will be any doubt, you can tell me, है ना. Here we will say कि the set A is the capital of, hello, hello, I'm audible? Can you hear me? Okay, see here. So here I am taking the set A, okay, the set A consists the capital of states, okay, it will consist the capital of states, okay. Is it clear or any doubt? And the set B consists the state's name, okay. The set B consists set's name, okay, state name. Just wait a minute. Yes, let's see here. So take here some capitals such as Patna, okay, Ranchi, Bangalore, Bangalore, okay. And here the state's name, take it Jharkhand, okay, Bihar, Karnataka, okay. Okay. Now first we will find A cross B. Yes, sir. First we will find A cross B. Okay. So let's find A cross B. I'm audible na?
Yeah,
Yes.
I can hear you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here we will find A cross B. What we will find here? What we will find here? Hello? Hello? Hello Akshat?
Yeah.
Hello? Akshat, can you hear me?
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah, I can hear. I can hear.
Can I continue?
I can hear.
Can I continue?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see here. Hmm. Here we will find A cross B, means we have to take cross of each elements of set A with set B, है ना? So as here the first element is Patna, right? So for Patna I will write P and just cross it with Jharkhand. Okay, so it will be P and JH for Jharkhand. Okay, now Patna with Bihar. Okay, P and B, and Patna with Karnataka. Okay, so I will write here P and K. Is it clear? Now similarly we will do for Ranchi, है ना? So here Ranchi with Jharkhand. Okay, Ranchi with Bihar and Ranchi with Karnataka. Okay, now we will do for Bangalore. Okay, so Bangalore BA, I will write here BA. Okay, for Bangalore. Bangalore with Jharkhand. Okay, Bangalore with Jharkhand, Bangalore with Bihar, and Bangalore with Karnataka, like this. Okay, so Bangalore with Bihar and Bangalore with Karnataka. Okay, is it clear? So this will be our new set, है ना? That will be A cross B.
Sir, your voice is cut.
Hello.
Thank a lot.
Okay. So now let's see here. This was the A cross B. Okay, and these will be the elements of A cross B. Okay, these will be the elements of A cross B. Till here any doubt?
Yeah.
A cross B. Okay, so we will get a new set which is A cross B. Okay, thanks. So let's see here. This is the we will get a set which is A cross B. Okay, and these are the elements of the set. Okay, A cross B, है ना? Now here we will establish a relation. Here now I will establish a relation A B. Okay, A and B as
Hello, sir. I've been saying I have no doubts.
So here we will establish a relation A B. Okay, as ki A is the capital of B. A is the capital of B.
1 minute.
A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. Okay, here the element A belongs to set A and the element B belongs to the set B. Is it clear? है ना? So this will be the relation. Okay, now we will check कि how many elements hold this relation. Okay, this is A and this is B. Here this A will be from set A and this B will be set from set B. As an example, here this is the one of the element of A cross B, right? This one. So this will act as A, the element A which is from set A, and this one is act as B which will be the from set B. Okay, is it clear? So here we have to check ki A is the capital of B. A is the capital of B. Here it will be small b. B, okay, where A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. Now write the elements. Okay, so it will be R equal to, now check the relation. Here it is saying ki Patna is the capital of Jharkhand. It is correct? Is it holding the relation or not? Yes, tell me. For Jharkhand the capital is Ranchi, right? For Karnataka capital is Bengaluru. Okay, and for Bihar the capital is Patna. Okay, is it clear? So Patna is the capital of Jharkhand. Is it correct or not? No, Patna is not the capital of Jharkhand, na? This is wrong. It will not hold the relation. Okay. Here, Patna is the capital of Bihar. Yes, this will hold the relation. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Okay. So, this element we will write here in the set R, which will be the relation. Patna is the capital of Karnataka. No. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Yes, this will hold the relation, है ना? Ranchi and Jharkhand. Okay. Ranchi is the capital of Bihar. No. Ranchi is the capital of Karnataka. No. अच्छा, Bengaluru is the capital of Jharkhand. No. Bengaluru is the capital of Bihar. No. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Yes, this will hold the relation, right? है ना? So Bengaluru will be the capital of Karnataka. We will get this set, okay? And this set will be the subset of A cross B, as you can see here, right? This set will be the subset of A cross B because all elements of this set are also in set A cross B. है ना? और hello? So as you can see the elements, this is the first element, okay? This is the first element, this is the second element, and this is the third element, which all are also in A cross B, है ना? This set. So as you can see here, R is the subset of A cross B and its elements hold the relation, okay? So this will be the relation of A cross B. Is it clear? Now here there are some points. The first one is domain of R. Domain of R. After that, range of R and codomain of R. Codomain or equal to. Okay. So in domain, we will write the first element. Okay. The first element from each one. Okay. As here Patna. So here we will write Patna. Second is Ranchi. Okay. Third one is Bengaluru. In range, we will write the second elements of the relation. Second elements from each pair. That will be Bihar, Jharkhand, and Karnataka. Okay. Is it clear? And codomain will be the set B. The whole set B. See here. This set B will be known as the codomain. Okay. This set will be known as the codomain. So these are the basic points which we have to remember in relation. In the next class, we will learn the types of relation.
Yes, sir.